Ever wondered if your digital assets are truly safe, or if that sleek, credit card-sized device holding your crypto is as impenetrable as it claims? We're talking about Tangem, the hardware wallet that's shaking up the self-custody space with its unique, seedless approach. But with innovation often comes scrutiny, and a crucial question arises: how safe is Tangem, really? In the world of cryptocurrency, security isn't just a feature, it's the bedrock. The rise of hardware wallets like Tangem, Ledger, and Trezor signals a collective move towards self-custody, empowering individuals to take full control of their digital wealth. No longer are we solely reliant on centralized exchanges, often dubbed honeypots for hackers. However, each hardware wallet offers a distinct approach to security, and Tangem, with its card-based, NFC-powered design, presents a particularly interesting case. Unlike traditional hardware wallets that often rely on a seed phrase for recovery, Tangem champions a seedless backup system. Instead of writing down 12 or 24 words, you receive a set of 2 or 3 identical Tangem cards. Lose one? No problem, you have backups. This eliminates the common vulnerability of a compromised seed phrase, which can be easily lost, stolen, or accidentally exposed. The private key is generated directly on the secure chip within the card, using a true random number generator, TRNG, and it never leaves the card. This means your private key is kept offline, isolated from internet-connected devices, significantly reducing the attack surface for online threats like malware and phishing. Tangem's commitment to security is further underscored by its EAL6+ certification. This isn't just some marketing jargon. EAL6+ is the highest level of chip protection for mobile components, the same standard used in highly sensitive applications like banking cards and biometric passports. This certification provides robust resistance against physical and non-invasive attacks, making it incredibly difficult to tamper with the chip or extract the private key. Think of it as a Fort Knox for your crypto. Beyond the hardware, Tangem's firmware has undergone independent audits by reputable security firms like Kudelski Security and Rescure. These audits, conducted in 2018 and 2023 respectively, confirmed the absence of backdoors, vulnerabilities, or hidden algorithms. The Tangem app, which acts as the interface for your cards, is also open source. This transparency allows the broader crypto community to scrutinize its code, adding another layer of trust and accountability. However, no security system is absolutely foolproof, and it's important to be aware of certain considerations. In late 2024/early 2025, a temporary bug was identified in the Tangem mobile app that could mistakenly log private keys and application logs if a seed phrase was generated and a support request was made immediately. Tangem quickly acknowledged and resolved this issue, deleting affected logs and releasing updates. This highlights the importance of keeping your app updated and exercising caution, even with highly secure devices. Another point of discussion often revolves around blind signing. Since Tangem cards don't have a screen, you rely on your phone's display to verify transaction details. While the NFC communication between the card and the app is secure and localized, a theoretical risk exists if your phone itself is compromised by sophisticated malware that could alter transaction details without your knowledge. Tangem addresses this by ensuring the app performs authenticity checks of the chip and firmware, but it's a good practice to ensure your phone is secure and free from malware. Ultimately, Tangem offers a compelling and robust solution for self-custody. Its seedless approach, EAL6+ certified secure element, independent audits, and open-source app contribute to a high level of security. While the potential for a compromised phone remains a theoretical concern for any screenless device, Tangem's overall architecture significantly minimizes common attack vectors. For those seeking simplicity combined with strong, hardware-backed security, Tangem stands as a formidable contender in the crypto wallet landscape. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.